Ever wondered why Adobe XD seems to have vanished from your Creative Cloud app list, leaving you scratching your head and wondering where your favorite UX/UI design tool went? Let's dive into exactly why Adobe XD may not be showing up in your Creative Cloud installation, so you can get back to designing first. There are a few key reasons XD is often bundled with a Creative Cloud plan that includes all apps. If your plan doesn't include all apps, it might not be listed within the available apps section. To check if you're eligible for Adobe XD, first, head to the Adobe website in the Plans section. Compare your current Creative Cloud plan against those that include all apps. Verify the apps included against your plan specifics. Another common cause, although you may have a plan including XD, it might already be installed, but not be fully open yet, or simply hidden or located in different sections of the Creative Cloud interface in your cloud app. You might find XD listed under installed apps rather than available apps. Carefully review all installed application listings in certain cases. A simple restart of the Creative Cloud application might refresh what appears in the list, so try closing and reopening your Creative Cloud app. Additionally, Adobe sometimes provides XD as a separate download, so it should not be included in the Creative Cloud app. Ensure you have installed the latest version from the Adobe website directly. Finally, if you're still experiencing difficulties, visit Adobe's Help Center, where you'll find more options, or reach out for more personalized customer support. If needed, get back to designing.